Good morning, ladybugs. We back at work. This is Vlogtober 6. How are you? So we gonna try to see what they got going on today. What kind of shenanigans is going on? Went here and sign in and see what's in store for us today. So let's get to work, okay? Hey, ladybugs. So I checked in, and of course, they don't have a truck for me. I don't know why, because my truck from yesterday is over there. And but I still don't understand their system, so I'm just gonna wait and see what they say. They tell me to come in at 8 o'clock. It is a few minutes before 8, but of course you're supposed to come into work 15 minutes early, for those of you who don't know that. But I'm used to coming into work 15 minutes early, preparing myself for whatever is to come. And I guess this is what's to come. Just wait, which I don't mind, because I'm already checked in, signed in. So here's what my motto gonna be. I don't care, because I get paid by the hour. That's my new motto, y'all. I get paid by the hour. So I'll sit here all day if you want me to. So that's what it is. And I'll check in with you guys in shortly. Ladybugs, I cannot believe that I don't have no fuel and no food. And I'm way up here. I rode for like 2 hours and I haven't seen a truck stop. So I'm in the red. Let me see if I can show y'all. Look at that, y'all. Can you see it? Look where I'm at. And I gotta get to a truck stop to get some fuel.